If me heart had a garden,
you be the only one growing.
so I'ma read through the roses.
Baby, take them.
Yeah.
Ah.
No games tonight, just love. Me see the way you look at me,
like you already know. No need to say too much, your eyes already told me so.
me don't want diamonds.
If your heart ain't in the room,
Give me one honest promise,
and I'll make forever bloom.
you don't have to chase me,
You don't have to prove a thing.
just put your hand in mine and
See what tomorrow brings. And if the whole world turn cold, I'll keep you warm somehow. May I have one question for you? Will you take these roses now?
red petals slow
Dancing, your name written in my heart.
if loving you is a journey.
And baby, this is where we start.
Take your roses, baby, take your roses.
Every little piece of me, you notice.
No disguise, no pretending, no.
Me give you love, so don't let go.
Take your roses, girl, take your roses.
You're the only one my heart has chosen.
If I give you my heart, that's forever.
You and me, we can make it better.
Take your roses, take your roses. Love like this don't come by chance.
Hold me close and don't release me. If you're mine, then love me deep.
Girl, I remember the first time you walked through that door. Something about your energy made me want you more. I ain't talking about a moment, I'm talking about a lifetime. You could have my last dollar, you could have my last dime.
I know flowers eventually fade, but what I feel won't. I could promise you the moon, but baby, I won't. I'll give you something better, my word and my loyalty. No matter where this road goes, you know you're safe with me.
Wait, me know one time man will only love me
when the lights them bright. Ooh.
Me want somebody who can hold me
when the whole world fight. When my crown fall down, will you pick it up? When I feel like giving up, will you fill my cup? Don't tell me you're different, show me. Don't say it forever, know me. If you really mean it, come closer.
Me bring the roses,
then I'm taking them.
take your roses, girl, take your roses.
You're the only one my heart has chosen.
Every road that I walk, I see you.
Every song that I sing, I need you.
Take your roses, baby, take your roses.
Me love when you say that you chose this. No more running, no more hiding. Come put your heart right beside mine.
Take your roses, take your roses. Tonight we don't need no explanations.
One heart, two souls, one promise.
Love without hesitation.
Wine slow, baby, come closer. No rush, let me feel your heartbeat. Your hands on mine, we're getting closer. Love so sweet, can't defeat.
Me tell it once, me tell it twice.
You're the one that choose.
No matter what the morning brings,
Me still not change my views.
take the roses,
I'll take them,
take the promise.
I'll make it.
Take me high,
Girl, I won't break it.
that's the kind of love we're making. That's the kind of love we're making.
If tomorrow takes us somewhere we never planned to go,
Just promise you remember.
the love we chose.
I remember every petal.
I remember every word
Some things don't need forever,
to be beautiful,
but I want
forever
Take your roses, baby, take your roses.
every little piece of me, you know this.
From the first kiss to the last sunrise,
I wanna wake up looking in your
take
eyes.
your roses, girl, take your roses.
You're the only one my heart has chosen.
I don't need another love story.
You beside me is my kind of glory.
Take your roses,
Take your roses,
take me out.
I'll hold it closer,
If loving you is a risk,
and let me take it over. And bring your roses,
and I brought my heart.
so don't let go.
Never,
Take your roses, baby.
I take them on.
One love, one night, one promise. Take your roses.
Yeah,
If me enter the garden,
you'll be the only one growing.
So let me reach for the roses.
Baby, take them.
Yeah.
No games tonight,
Just love.
Me see the way you look at me like you already know.
No need to say too much, your eyes already told me so.
Me don't want diamonds.
If your heart ain't in the room, give me one honest promise, and I'll make it forever bloom.
You don't have to chase me, you don't have to prove a thing.
Just put your hand in mine and see what tomorrow brings.
And if the whole world turn cold, I'll keep you warm somehow.
Me have one question for you. Will you take these roses now? Hey.
Red petals slow dancing.
Your name written in my heart.
If loving you is a journey,
And baby, this is where we start. Take your roses, baby, take your roses. Every little piece of me you notice. No disguise, no pretending, no.
me give you love, so don't let go.
Take your roses, girl, take your roses.
You're the only one my heart has chosen. If
If I give you my heart, that's forever.
you and me,
We can make it better. Take your roses, take your roses.
love like this don't come by chances.
Hold me close and don't release me.
If you're mine, then love me, dear. Girl, I remember the first time you walked through that door.
Something about your energy made me want you more.
I ain't talking about a moment, I'm talking about a lifetime.
You could have my last dollar, you could have my last dime.
I know flowers eventually fade, but what I feel
I
won't.
could promise you the moon,
But baby, I won't.
I'll give you something better, my word and my loyalty.
No matter where this road goes, you know you're safe with me.
Wait, me no want a man, we only love me when the lights them bright. Me want somebody who can hold me when the whole world fight. When me crown fall down, will you pick it up? When me feel like giving up, will you fill my cup?
Don't tell me you're different.
Show me,
Don't say it forever.
know me.
If you really mean it, come closer.
Me bring the roses.
Then I'm taking them.
Take your roses, girl, take your roses. You're the only one my heart has chosen.
Every road that I walk, I see you.
Every song that I sing, I need. Take your roses, baby, take your roses. Love when you say that you chose this. No more running, no more hiding. Come put your heart right beside mine. Take your roses, take your roses. Tonight we don't need no explanation.
One heart, two souls, one promise.
Love without hesitation. Wine slow, baby, come closer. No rush, let me feel your heartbeat. Your hands on mine, we're getting closer. Love so sweet, can't defeat.
Tell you once, me tell you twice.
You're the one me choose.
No matter what the
Morning brings,
it's still not
change my view. So take your roses,
I'll take them,
take the promise.
I'll make